Good day, everyone. Today, we'll look at an important topic for businesses: offshore legal difficulties. Understanding the complexities and nuances of offshore operations is critical, and this comprehensive book will provide just that. Offshore legal issues cover a wide range of issues that organizations encounter while operating on a global scale. Let's look at the important components of offshore legal complexity, such as navigating foreign legal systems and resolving cross-border conflicts. Why do companies opt to outsource their activities in the first place? Join us as we investigate the potential rewards that entice corporations to operate on a global scale, as well as the strategic advantages they seek. However, big potential often bring great hazards. We'll look at the hazards that come with offshore activity, such as legal concerns, geopolitical issues, and economic challenges. Understanding the legal frameworks is critical for navigating offshore legal difficulties. We'll go over the major international regulations and treaties that govern offshore activity and impact decision-making. Choosing the best offshore jurisdiction is an important decision for organizations. We'll go over the considerations that go into making this decision, as well as the distinctions between jurisdictions. In this section, we underline the need of having legal representation while dealing with offshore activities. Learn how legal experts can help businesses by providing advice and mitigating risks. Not all legal structures are the same. We'll look at the various legal frameworks for offshore organizations, outlining the benefits and drawbacks of each and assisting businesses in making educated selections. Tax issues play an important role in offshore operations. Learn how legal guidance may help firms improve their tax strategy, ensuring they comply with tax regulations while maximizing their financial rewards. Maintaining regulatory compliance is critical for offshore firms. Join us as we highlight the compliance landscape and talk about how legal experts make sure firms follow the rules. Real-life examples provide useful information. We'll examine the outcomes of case studies of organizations experiencing offshore legal problems and draw insights that can help others in similar situations. What services do offshore law firms provide? This episode discusses the various services offered and how lawyers give continuing assistance to businesses navigating complex legal landscapes. Addressing misunderstandings is critical for gaining a thorough understanding of offshore legal issues. We'll debunk common misconceptions and provide legal explanations. The legal landscape is ever-changing. In this session, we'll talk about recent changes in offshore legal systems and how they can affect multinational enterprises. Understand developing developments in offshore law to stay ahead of the curve. We'll highlight major trends and talk about how they might affect firms in an ever-changing global environment. Success tales are powerful. Join us as we share testimonials from companies that have successfully navigated offshore legal problems, highlighting the importance of skilled legal guidance. Let us now address some often asked questions from our viewers. If you have any further queries, please share them in the comments section below. It is critical to choose the correct legal advisor. We'll provide you practical advice and point you in the right direction for finding a legal specialist who understands the nuances of offshore legal concerns. The offshore legal landscape is always changing. We'll talk about the future perspective in this segment, providing insights into upcoming trends and developments that organizations should be aware of. Finally, we've covered a wide range of topics concerning offshore legal difficulties. Remember that knowledge is essential for success in international business. Thank you for joining us today, and remember to subscribe for more useful information. The legal landscape is changing as a result of technological advancements. Investigate how technological breakthroughs such as artificial intelligence and blockchain are affecting offshore legal services, offering firms with efficiency and security. With company becoming more digital, cybersecurity is critical. Investigate the cybersecurity problems that offshore organizations confront, as well as how legal counsel might help protect sensitive data. Ethical issues are essential in any commercial venture. We'll talk about the ethical dimensions of offshore operations and how legal advisors help corporations make ethical decisions. In business, disagreements are unavoidable. Investigate the international dispute resolution processes accessible in the context of offshore business, as well as how legal experts might contribute to fair resolutions. businesses are increasingly being held accountable for their social responsibilities. Examine how offshore entities might engage in socially responsible actions, as well as the legal ramifications and rewards. The legal and economical issues are inextricably linked. Discuss the significance of collaboration between legal and financial specialists in ensuring complete and effective offshore company plans. Regulations are subject to fast change. Investigate how businesses and legal advisors react to regulatory changes in order to maintain continuing compliance and effective operations in a constantly changing global regulatory environment. Environmental sustainability is becoming increasingly important. We'll look at how offshore corporations might handle environmental concerns, as well as the legal issues and benefits of becoming green. Navigating uncertainty requires resilience. Discuss options for constructing a robust offshore legal system that will allow enterprises to survive difficulties and capitalize on opportunities. Many law firms host instructional seminars. Investigate the advantages of attending legal workshops and seminars on offshore concerns, which can provide firms with useful insights and networking opportunities. Success necessitates diversity and inclusiveness. Discuss how legal advisors help to build a diverse and collaborative corporate culture in offshore enterprises by contributing to inclusive decision-making. Growth requires innovation, but it must be balanced with conformity. Investigate how organizations in the dynamic landscape of offshore operations achieve a balance between innovation and compliance. Working overseas entails dealing with people from many cultures. We'll go over the legal implications of handling cultural differences, as well as how firms might adapt to different foreign situations. As firms expand into emerging markets, they face new legal challenges. Investigate the legal complexities of doing business in emerging markets and how legal assistance can help enterprises navigate foreign territory. Legal research is evolving in tandem with technological advancements. Discuss how technological improvements improve legal research capabilities, allowing legal professionals to stay up to date on complex offshore legal situations. In international dealings, transparency is essential. Investigate how legal frameworks enhance openness and accountability in offshore transactions, hence increasing company confidence and credibility. What legal obstacles can firms encounter in the future, looking ahead? Discuss various scenarios and how proactive legal methods can assist organizations in staying ahead of potential difficulties. Technology is a tool for compliance, not merely efficiency. Investigate how legal technology might help organizations stay compliant with changing requirements in the dynamic world of offshore operations. Legal advocacy frequently crosses borders. Discuss the significance of international legal collaboration in pushing for fair and effective legal frameworks for offshore businesses.